Hey guys, welcome. Today we will learn about gerund verb. It is a part of non-finite. I have started the verb and it will go in details in deep and already shared. So you can check my previous video. That is first we have discussed verb. Right. I will be sharing my site address here. Verb already completed. You can check it out. Right, verb part. I have completed this, and after that, I jumped into non-finite parts. So, in the non-finite parts, infinitive already covered. Today, we will learn about gerund. So, I will be going in the series. So today we want to learn gerund and what is gerund, and this will be discussed today. Gerund verb appears as a verb form 4. So guys, I told you like all non-finite verbs is parts of verb, right? It looks like a verb. It is verb, but it doesn't act like verb. Somebody acts like noun, somebody acts like a pronoun, somebody acts like adjective. So that's why it is called non-finite verb and it never changes its form. So today, so basically we have discussed about the infinitive, and today we will discuss gerund. Then in next video we will discuss about participle. Participle has three parts. So gerund, it appears like a verb with the ing form, right? And already verb is shared, non-finite infinitive is shared. Today we will understand what is gerund. A gerund is a form of a verb that appears as a verb form for. So basically, this gerund, whenever we see ing form, we understand and we think like it is verb. Yes, it is verb, but depends the position where it's going to be, where it is placed, what position it had. So depends as per the position. We cannot blindly say by watching ing form that it is verb or it is participle. No, it depends on the position. So when ing form, verb ing form uh, act as an subject or as an object, it is called gerund. Very simple, right? Many times we got confused what is gerund. Gerund is simple, like when uh, verb form ing is used as a subject or object, it is called gerund. So you can see here, very simple it is, and that's why it takes a minute to understand. Walking is good exercise. So walking, you can see here, it is playing role of subject, and subject becomes noun or pronoun. So it is noun here. Being a noun in ing form, it is considered gerund. Walking is my passion. It means it is again here, it is playing role of noun. So I said when ing form plays or act as an subject or object, it is called gerund. Next, sleeping. Sleeping is his habit. It means it is again noun, subject, comes to other part. I must practice reading. You can see it is reading. It seems like verb. It is verb, but its position is as an object. So being in subject and object, it becomes gerund, right? Next, you should get rid of smoking. Again, it is coming in place of, and its position is as an uh, object. So if ing form comes in place of subject or object, it is called gerund. Very simple, very easy. Its definition is, or it is very easy to understand. He likes running, right? So again, it is in place of object. Or you can see I have already discussed about the non-finite. Non-finite never changes its form. It is like a verb, it is parts of verb, but it acts in different parts of a speech. So here you can see this is non-finite category, right? It is in category of non-finite gerund, and gerund comes and appear as an ing form, or either it acts as an subject or object. So if verb ing form or ing form verb comes in a sentence as an object or subject, as a noun or pronoun, it is called Zeran. I think it's super easy to understand, and it is important to understand because whenever you're writing, you're talking, you are learning. So at that time, you should know at least parts of a speech. So I think it will definitely help you out. In case you need any more help in related of Zeran, you may write me on my site or you can ask me on my YouTube and Facebook, wherever you want, so that it may help me out to make you better understanding, and you will get it better. So thanks, I appreciate, and I have been waiting for your requirement, guys. If you have any kinds of requirement, you feel that these parts of a speech or that parts of grammar is tough for you, you may come to me. I'll definitely help you out, and I'll be putting my site address here in the description so that you can click on or you can go in details anytime, anywhere. Thanks. Bye. You can see this is my site. I'd learn to speak English fluently.